Here in front of you is a 1 gram sample of copper 2 chloride dihydrate in a 50 milliliter beaker in which the contents before and after the addition of salt has been recorded. And to the salt, 10 milliliters of DI water is added to the beaker. And stirred with a glass rod until all the salt has been dissolved. The result is that a blue solution has been formed. To the aqueous solution of copper 2 chloride, slowly add solid magnesium to the beaker. And as it's doing that, formation of solid copper is observed due to the presence of brown solid inside the solution. Continue adding magnesium to the beaker until no more formation of copper is observed. Note, when feeling the heat of the beaker, it is hot. Now, to ensure that all of magnesium is removed from the solution, add first 10 milliliters of 6 molar hydrochloric acid slowly to the beaker, which when added bubbles are observed, indicating that a gaseous substance has been produced, which turns out to be hydrogen. Most metals, when reacted with acids such as hydrochloric acid, leads to the formation of hydrogen gas as a product. The other product formed is magnesium chloride, which is evident by the clear solution observed. In doing so, a clear observation as to the amount of copper salt that was produced during this reaction. When feeling the heat of the beaker, it is extremely hot. If needed, you can add additional amounts of 6 molar hydrochloric acid to the same beaker to ensure that all of solid magnesium has been removed from the solution. Once completed, allow the beaker to cool to room temperature before proceeding. To remove the aqueous solution of magnesium chloride, pour the solution into an appropriate size waste beaker. And then wash the solid with 3 10 milliliter portions of DI water, which will purify the copper solid. And for each portion, decant into the same waste beaker. Retain the copper solid in the beaker for further analysis. Discard the contents in the waste beaker into an appropriate waste container. Here are two 50 milliliter beakers containing copper that was obtained after washing it with DI water. They've been heated on this hot plate for several minutes to ensure that all of the water has been removed from the solid. Now, once completed, using tongs, remove them one at a time and place it over a ceramic tile or a wire gauze for several additional minutes and allow it to cool to room temperature before weighing the beaker and copper. Then you'll be able to determine the amount of copper produced per trial.